I'm so sorry. It's time to find the nerd in the herd. Another thrilling round of the super sensitive spelling bee.
It's the super sensitive spelling bee game.
I have some contestants who are ready to go. Of course, Ewan and Graham going head to head. I've seen them do this throughout the week and the epic fails that have come through. But it's great that two magical people, they can cast spells, but can they spell? That's the big question. Now, animals is our theme today, and we have rules. We have 3 rounds. We have 3 sets of words, and each contender of varying length, of course, and difficulty that you will need to spell correctly. And to make things more challenging, today's truth sensitivity trigger is ice cold lollies.
That's my thing, eh?
To make you jolly.
A lolly to make you jolly.
All right.
So when are we supposed to eat these?
Sorry?
As we spell.
So you've got to take a big chunk,
You have
keep
to
it in
take
your mouth
it-
until
you have
your
to take
mouth
it-
is
yes.
devoid of feeling,
Yeah.
and then you've got to go.
And then you have to take a peek and then make it happen
Just
from
talking
there.
from experience here.
Well, okay, thanks. No,
I've run
because again.
the words I can spell, I've done.
Okay,
That's
fine.
it.
Right, Graham, you're going to go first. Take a bite. Your
Okay.
first word is chameleon.
I was expecting hippopotamus for sure.
No, chameleon. Right, let's go.
C-H-A-M-E-A-L.
No.
E-O-N.
No.
Chameleon. It's chameleon. C-H-A-M-E-L-E-O-N.
There we go.
Chameleon. Well done.
Well done.
hippopotamus.
Phenomenal stuff. Great stuff as well. All right. Ewan, platypus.
Platypus.
Yes.
P-L-A-T-A-P.
Yes. Yeah.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
Platypus. Try again.
And that one even had a
round
slightly
2.
Australian inflection.
Yeah.
Not good enough.
P-L-A-T-E-P-U-S.
Nope.
No?
One more time.
P-L-A-T-U-P-U-S. No?
No. The thing is,
I'm giving up.
I suppose what you require is the Y behind the word, right?
Oh,
You need the Y.
In life, you need to understand your why.
Yes.
Okay, you need to know your
Sometimes
why.
the Y is right in the middle of your life.
Otherwise, where are you going?
Guys,
All right,
I'm just enjoying
next
this
word,
lolly, man.
animals. Graham, rhinoceros.
Oh, gosh. I'm going to lose my citizenship.
Right, aka 10 rand note. Let's go. Rhinoceros.
Everyone's going to laugh. R,
Yes,
H,
yes,
I,
yes.
N, O, C, E, R, O, U, S.
Ooh,
Oh, come
no,
on.
that's a rhinoceros.
Rhinoceros.
One more time. Try again.
It's embarrassing.
I know it is.
This is so embarrassing.
R, H, I, N, O, Rhino, C, E, O, U, S.
No, that's a rhinoceros.
I don't know, that's it. I told you, I can see 4 words in my head and that's it, or 4 letters. It's like, show us the word, man.
Okay, right, rhinoceros, that's the...
Rhinoceros.
Yes, seros.
I was giving him way too many vowels.
Okay, Ewan.
Okay, hoi.
Hippopotamus. I knew this word was coming somewhere.
Okay, hippo.
Yeah.
H-I-P-P-O.
Nice.
T-A... No, wait, I can't see it.
I know, I told you.
can't see it. I've got...
You never see hippos coming. Never.
H-I-P-P-O.
Y,
P-O-T-A-M-U-S.
F. So you just needed some adversity, man.
Yes!
Hey?
Come on! That was wonderful.
Yeah, that was great. I'm chuffed.
Well done.
I'm
Now
chuffed.
spell chuffed. Now spell chuffed.
I'm very, very, very proud. Honestly, I'm so proud of you. Right, Brachiosaurus is your next one.
The funny thing is, I actually just saw the word.
Why did you
And I
just-
still can't spell it.
There we go.
Throw random letters while I was
Brachiosaurus.
spelling.
B-R-A-C-H.
C, Dak. Till.
I want to say E, brachii,
No.
S-O-R-I, no,
I used to
Brachiosaurus.
love these. I used to collect dinosaur books.
Can I
know this
make a
one.
point, Joe?
You may.
Dinosaur's not an animal, is it?
Well, it is. It was an animal.
It was an animal.
65 million
It's
years
not
ago.
flora.
You can't do that.
Brachiosaurus. No ways. B-R-A, C, brachio-I-O-U-S, brachios, S. Oh, no ways. I don't know.
Saurus.
Saurus. S-O-R-U-S. Brachio.
There we go.
A-U-R-U-S.
Brachiosaurus.
Another 45 minutes and I would have got there. I swear I would have got there.
Okay.
Absolutely
well,
love it. And that was a dinosaur, yeah.
One of those things. Okay, cool. Tyrannosaurus. Ewan.
No, I'm going, guys. No.
And incidentally, just
Go
on behind the scenes things, if this was Zoe, she would have just walked away.
Tyrannosaurus.
Walked away.
Tyrannosaurus, yeah.
Okay, can I start with the saurus part?
Yeah, that's.
I want you
go
to
for it.
win.
No, get that done.
S
Yeah.
S
Eh.
A U
Yeah.
R
Yeah.
E S.
Eh?
No.
No.
Saurus.
That's That's a
Saurus.
Spanish,
Oh, that's
a
US.
Spanish dinosaur.
Yes.
Saurus.
Ese.
Saurus. Tyrannosaurus.
But what about us?
What about?
Tyranno. T-Y-R.
Yeah?
Oh, nice. He knows his
Yes.
Yeah.
A.
Yes.
Yeah.
N.
Yes.
N.
Yeah.
Yes.
Come on.
A.
Yeah.
S. A.
Oh, gee.
E. E. T-Y. Oh, yes, this buzzer is.
You are the O, by the way.
Huh?
You are the O.
Tyrannosaurus.
Saurus. I'm giving up.
Saurus. There we go.
Saurus.
I'm telling you,
Tyrannosaurus.
you could slow
Guys.
down a charging Tyrannosaurus with that sound. It's so disparaging.
Are you
that,
even eating
I
your
know.
lolly, bro? Look at
You
this.
bite before you talk, bro. This isn't a fun time. We're not here to.
This is a lekker
It's not a
lolly.
recreational.
I wanna start
day
this
I'm
out.
out.
jolly. I'm being
Why
jolly.
did you get a jolly?
You too. I also got one because
they're nice.
I've been a good boy. I just
Yeah.
made you
I
jolly
can't-
as
I
well with
can't
that.
do
That
this.
was
Like,
wonderful.
it's horrible.
Brachiosaurus, Tyrannosaurus, these two amazing spellers have
Yeah.
just showcased something incredible for you. So don't roar in pain when you eat. Just switch to Sensodyne Repair and Protect. It's the #1 dentist recommended. There's another spelling word brand for sensitive teeth. So make sure you spell correctly and get your teeth sorted out.
Spell Q.
No, I'm done.